Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to discuss two phonic sounds. Okay, before that, I want to ask you all one thing. Have you felt bad for pronouncing a word wrong anytime? And when we are confused, what we do? We Google. And when we Google, we can see that there is Indian pronunciation, British, and American pronunciation given. For example, when I type VASE, that is VAS in Indian English, British English, and in American English it is ways. So basically, we don't have to feel bad for pronouncing a word because it's all about the accents. And what is accent, that I'll be doing in my next video. So you might have understood the letter for today, that is letter V. Okay, VAS, volleyball, vegetables, volcano, west, and vacuum. Now this word vegetables, we Indians, we pronounce it as vegetables, and if you observe British and American accent, it is vegetables. They don't say it as vegetables, it is vegetables, right? So the sound of letter V is V. Okay, V. Now let's go to the next letter, that's W. W for wave, watermelon, wagon, worm, window, and walk. So you can observe that there is a mild difference between letter V and W. This V is W and W is W. And there are few words which ends with W, and in that case, for example, COW, cow, it is ow, cow, and BOW, bow, and sometimes you can see that rainbow, in that the spelling ends with W, still we say rainbow. And in dew, DEW, dew. So when a word ends with letter W, we have to understand that sometimes the W is silent as in rainbow, sometimes it is W sound as in cow, W, sometimes as in dew, dew, it is U. So W can be pronounced in different ways. Okay, and for that what we have to do is we need to read maximum. Read, so that you get more words and practice pronunciation of the letter.